A blessing that we don't talk about enough is the blessing of friendship.
Mm-hmm.
Like having solid friends is such a blessing. And that's why I thank God for mine so much, because it's just
Yes.
like having people that you know will show up for you. Not only that, but having people that you know are praying for you. Like, I know for a fact my friends pray for me, my friends cover me, my friends speak life into me. And I feel like a lot of times when we talk about blessings and we talk about what we want God to do in our life, we're always asking for materialistic things. But the best things are things that money can't buy. Like loyalty isn't something that money can't buy. I've been friends with my friends for over 10 years. And it's like, that's not something that a lot of people can say. So I just want us to get into the habit of realizing that blessings don't always have to be things that are tangible or things that you go swipe a card for. Like blessings are friendships. Blessings is knowing that you're loved and knowing that there's somebody that thinks of you and that is praying for blessings to come your way, or praying for abundance to come your way, or praying for your prosperity. And they're
Mm.
not praying trying to get something in return. They're just praying simply because they love you. Like, that is a blessing. To have
Yes.
that, to be loved, is a blessing, honestly.
Good point. Be grateful for who is currently in your life. I saw a video recently of this lady who was so upset. She had a friend, I believe, of 20 or 30 years, and she was dropping her off to the airport. I'm going to find it and add it here, but it was just so funny and relatable because it was a friend that she's had for so long. They have this deep connection. I'm going to add it. Let me stop talking. Just watch it. I'm going to add it in here.
I just dropped my best friend off at the airport.
Okay, so there's some language.
You dumb hoe. You're not supposed to come here for 3 days and make my whole family fall in love with you and then leave me for your husband and your children. I hate you. I love you. And I can't drive because I can't see. She's been my best friend for 20 years. And we
20
haven't got to
years.
hang out with each other like as two girls for 15 years. Life is up, and I haven't seen her for 3 years. Now she's leaving me for her stupid husband and their stupid kids who I love. You're not stupid. I love you. And my kids are crying, and I'm crying. I gotta get together because I can't see. Anyway, best time of my life. I love you so much. Eventually, we're gonna convince our stupid husband to move in together and have a compound so that I can be with you forever. Anyway, you're beautiful. You're my best friend. We got matching tattoos, TikTok. Oh, you can't see because I'm stupid. Me and my best friend got matching tattoos. Our first ever matching tattoos. 20 years. So you can't leave me now. I have you on my body. Anyway, I love you. You beautiful dumb hoe who's breaking my heart right now. It's a beautiful sunset. Sunrise. Okay, I know. Oh no, she's recording herself crying in public. That's because I can't see, and if I don't process my emotions, I'll never leave the stupid parking lot. Don't look at me. I know you see me crying in my car. Alright, I'm gonna feel better now. Okay, I got it now. I can still see you. You look beautiful in your brown dress. I just want to live next to my best friend forever. Okay. By the time you see this, you'll probably be home. I love you. Okay, alright, love you.
There is nothing like good girlfriends. Nothing like it. Nothing like a good girlfriend. And for her to express so many emotions of, dropping off her friend at the airport that she hadn't seen in years or been able to hang with for such a long time, but they're still best friends. I love a friend that I can call and just pick up on the conversation, don't you? You may not have talked to them for a few weeks, a few months, even years. But once you answer the phone or they answer the phone and you start talking to them, it's like you just never stopped having a conversation. You just get right back into it. Those are the best conversations to have, and those are the best girlfriends to have. Friends that you can stick with for years, friends that you can confide in, friends that you have a great time with. Her emotions right there just said it all. We know that that's her best friend.
You know you have a healthy friendship if every time you speak to them, you begin to feel better about yourself. And like when you're with them, you can be free. You feel alive. You feel like you can truly be yourself. And then when you're leaving from being with them, you're already yearning for the next time that you're going to be with them again. When you look at them, it's like, you give me hope. You give me hope in humanity. You give me hope in friendships. It's because of our friendship that I know that good and genuine friendships do still exist. If you have a friend like this, hold on to them. Promise you, there won't be many.
Be grateful for what you currently have. It can be taken away within the blink of an eye. And we say that. We take advantage of that statement a lot of times because we still don't see it until it happens to us. So be thankful for what you have. Be grateful for what you have. Be thankful for everyone that's in your life and grateful for everyone that's in your life. That you love them, that you cherish them, especially your friends and your family that you really have a connection with.
What I'm really loving about my adult friendships at this stage in my life, I would say first is that we don't have to talk every day in order to know that we love each other, okay? You can send me a meme and I know that you're thinking about me, right? I love that for us. 2, we don't judge each other, but we will hold each other accountable because we understand that we don't always make the right decisions and sometimes we need to, have somebody check us.
Who gonna check me, boo?
And so I appreciate that about my friendships now. 3, we don't agree on everything, and that's okay. But we still respect each other. And we understand that we can have a difference of opinion. 4, we don't feel any kind of way with being silent together. We understand that it's fine if we're hanging out and nothing's being said. There's nothing awkward about it. That's just a natural thing that's happening. We're good. Lastly, we're okay with scheduling time to link up because we understand we all got lives, right? And so there's nobody taking offense to, can I get on your books? It's a real thing. And we're good with that. Granted, I understand the older you get, your friendships may not be as many, but quality over quantity is always going to be number one in my book. And I'm just grateful that I got really good quality friends. And so tag yours if you got quality friends too.
I love that. She basically summarized everything that I was thinking. Like I said, we can just pick up where we left off, even if it was last year. Unfortunately, sometimes things happen and you get lost in the sauce with your family, with your close friends, or whoever else is around you. Circumstances happen, jobs, things, you're tired. But that doesn't mean any love was lost in the friendship because we can pick back up at any point in time. So I hope this was helpful for you. It all started out as gratitude and then being grateful for friends. I just felt like after the video that I had where I talked about friendships that were not so good, I should, balance that with friendships that are very good, that are blessings, that bring you gratitude and you're thankful for those things. So I just wanted to add that here. All right. Thank you so much for being here. Take care. And also put a comment down. If you have a friend that you've that you've had for years, put that down in the comments and then just say how your friendship has evolved over time, how it's lasted for so long. Put that down in the comments. I love a good comment. Thank you so much for being here. Take care. And I'll see you on the next video. I appreciate you so much. Subscribe if you like. All right. Bye.